60. The woman who is examined. This is a Madani Surah. It was revealed after the Treaty of Hudaybiyah and before the conquest of Makkah in the 6th or 7th year of Hijrah. It has 13 verses in 2 sections. The surah deals with the relations of Muslims with non-Muslims. It tells Muslims on the one hand not to take the enemies of Allah as their allies and patrons, but on the other hand it tells them not to consider every non-Muslim as their enemy. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Do not take Allah's and your own enemies as your patrons and allies. Number 2. It is allowed to have friendly relations with those non-Muslims who do not fight you in your religion and do not expel you from your lands. Some rules related to women who migrated to Medina and their husbands had not accepted Islam.